Hi guys, so today I told you we're going to go over that chart since a lot of you guys didn't get that done. I also linked so you can find information on that book, but even better, this website right here. So I linked this website and it lists the four New England colonies and pretty much gives you all the information you can find on there, okay? So I'm going to go over two of the colonies right now. So if you click on your Google Slides and go down to slide 28, you'll find our chart here. I'm going to go over Massachusetts and New Hampshire, and then you guys can do Connecticut and Rhode Island. But that website I showed you is going to be very helpful. And it looks like this. So the first one I'm going to do is Massachusetts. So I'm going to come down here, and we have all four of the New England colonies. So I'm going to click on the Massachusetts colony and then go through the information on there. Okay. So let's see what we need to find first. We need to find the year founded and the founder. All right, so the founding of Massachusetts colonies. When the colony was Massachusetts founded, the Massachusetts colony was founded in 1630 by John Winthorpe. So we're going to go 1630 by John Winthorpe. Is that how I spell it? I think so. Nope. Let me go back and look. Winthorpe. Nope, missing the R. All right. Okay, the location of it. Let's see if it tells us the location. The Massachusetts colony was one of 13 colonies located off the Atlantic Ocean of North America. The original 13 was divided into three geographical areas consisting of New England, Middle, and Southern colonies. The Massachusetts colony was classified as one of New England colonies. The province of Massachusetts was an English colony in North America that existed from 1630 till 1776 when it joined the other 12 of the 13 colonies in the rebellion against Great Britain and became the U.S. state of Massachusetts. All right, so it doesn't give us exact location. We could say present day Massachusetts, or we can just say, so these are our 13 colonies up here, our New England colonies. So we can just say it's the north, right? We got north, south, east, north, south, east, and west. So this is the northern part of the of North America. So we could say, or we could just say Atlantic coast of North America, and present day Massachusetts, pretty much in the same location it is today. Off the Atlantic, how do they word that? Located Atlantic coast of North America. Atlantic, oops, wrong area. Atlantic coast of North America. Okay, and then their economy. Let's go back and see if we can find information about that. Cities, industry. So industry is the same as economy. We have it here too. Concentrated in manufacture and focus on town life and industries such as shipbuilding and the manufacture and export of rums. Okay, so we can say that, or we can say industries too. So we could say agriculture and manufacturing. So fish, corn, livestock, manufacturing, lumbering, and shipping buildings. So either one, it doesn't matter. It's pretty much the same information. So we could say manufacturing, or we could say agriculture and manufacturing. Agriculture and manufacturing. Nope, I didn't get either of them. That's okay. Come on, give me the right word. There we go. Spell check is your friend. All right, interesting fact. So I'm going to go back here, and you can see on this area where it lists what they're talking about. It also has history, and so those are kind of like your facts. So I like this one. In 1692, the Salem witch trials last for 3 months from June, September. You'll learn more about the Salem witch trials in when you get to high school. So that's maybe the first time you heard of it, maybe not, but you will hear more about it in your history classes and literature or English. The Salem witch trials lasted or happened in this colony. Keep it simple. All right, now we're going to go to New Hampshire. So if I go back to here and I scroll back up to the top, since we have that part filled out, we can go back to New England colonies. You can either go backspace because then it will take you back to this page. And you're going to scroll down a little bit. Make sure you guys are scrolling down, and we're going to do the New Hampshire colonies. All right, so first it's the year founded in 1638 by John Mason and John Wheelwright. So what was it, 1638? 1638, John, a lot of Johns, huh? John Winterthorpe, John Mason, and John, what's that other guy's last name? Wheelwright. All right, and the location is the same, right? We are still, so this is New Hampshire, part of Massachusetts. Interesting. So claimed by New York and New Hampshire. Interesting. So we'll write the same thing because it's the off the Atlantic coast of North America. Okay. And it wasn't in New Hampshire. New Hampshire is smaller than it is today than it was back then. So during the colonies, some of these colonies took up more land than they do today. And so there's other states in there presently. Okay. So it is in the same location, but it's smaller. It's not going to take as much of the land up. Just so you know that, but we don't have to write that. All right, we need to find the economy. So we're going to scroll down to these facts. So we have our industry, agriculture, manufacturing, same thing, economy, concentrate manufacturing and focus on town life and industries. And is this the right one? Is this one we were just doing? Anyways, they probably all kind of did the same thing. Natural resources, so it's the same thing. Focus on town life, industries such as shipbuilding, agriculture, and manufacturing. And then an interesting fact. So let's look at our history. The original name of the New England colonies were the province of New Hampshire, later New Hampshire. The province of New Hampshire. 1964, Massachusetts colony gained control of New Hampshire. It's probably important. In 1679, England forms New Hampshire as a separate royal colony. So Massachusetts colony took over, and then a while later, it becomes a royal colony. So back probably to more British control. I'm guessing that's the difference between the colony became a state on June 21st, 1788. For additional facts and info, refer to the change of colonies to state. We don't need to know that. All right, let's see if there's any more facts here. New Hampshire colony history, people, interesting facts and information via the New Hampshire colony fact file. I don't know why they have these. They're not linking anything. Social studies, homework, help for social studies. Maybe that's where they got their information from all this. Is that it? I guess. All right, so I guess we're going to use one of these. Let's do, I don't know. What do you guys think? Let's think. I like this one. So the original names of the New England colonies were the province of New Hampshire. And I read earlier, too, that John Mason was from Hampshire, England. And so when they came over here, that's where they got a lot of those names on the East Coast is from England. So they would just put new in front of it. So York is a place in England. And so then New York is like a new version of it. So a lot of those names came from England, and they just put new in front of it. So original, these people. All right, so the New England, and that's kind of broad. It kind of covers all these for this fact. New England colonies were originally called the province of New Hampshire. Okay. Come in. I don't know why it does that sometimes. All right, so that is what I'm going to go over today. Again, remember when you're going through these, you can go back and it's going to take you to the other ones. So you can find information about Rhode Island colonies, and you're gonna put it in that one, and then Connecticut colonies, okay? But they all should be on this website here that is linked in your Google Classroom. So I hope that helps. Make sure you resubmit it if you didn't do your chart before. So if you did your vocabulary slides and you didn't do your chart, you need to, I sent it back to you, so once you complete this, resubmit it for full credit on that assignment, all right? I hope this helps, and I will see you guys later.